undo this 17 mm bolt. This bolt is threaded onto there. This is obviously the drain plug. It takes around 7.5 liters of 10W30 oil. To replace this washer, this is on there. Then you put a new copper washer through there. Alright, and on top of that you then put this spring like this, and you push it all the way down like that, and then you can put the oil filter in there and then replace the seal as well. The bigger diameter hole should be on the outside, so that way it's gonna sit onto the housing there. The torque setting for this bolt is 40 Newton meters, but please check the torque before you get it up to 40, because they're old cars. If the thread is worn out, you should just go by feel. And the torque on this one here is 50 Newton meters on the oil sump plug. Thank you very much for watching this video. So guys, although it says 40 Newton meters, I've adjusted it to 20. So yeah, so I've done it to 20 Newton meters because I felt like it was not tightening up to 40 on the digital torque wrench. So I put it down to 20 Newton meters on there. So just run it, see if it leaks. If it doesn't leak, it's all good.